Okay, I just wanted to, I believe it'll finally show it. Yeah, you can see the puffs of smoke from the blowby that this engine has. So she's got some blowby, got some wear on her, but what do you expect after 111 years? She's definitely got that blowby going. Now right here, I can't really tell what the drip rate is on this oiler because of the blowby going back up into the oiler. So I may need to get another oiler that's got a check ball in it. Because the only thing I can really gauge it by at the moment is how wet the piston looks as it's going in and out, as well as the board, how much slobber it's got taking place. My mixer at the moment, yes, I know it's smoking. It's only set for like half turn open, so it should be an over-rich mixture so much, but all the smoke that you see coming out of it is just because I'm having a hard time gauging the correct amount of oil that's going into it, and you know it's burning some oil at least. But there's the blowby that I was referring to. And as you can see, it's not really smoking black or anything, other than maybe some blue because of the oil. But that's the state of the engine. She's set right now at her lowest speed. And I've also noticed a funny problem. My speed controller appears to have two handles on it that split apart from each other. When I pull this back down, it'll slow down some more. But as that push rod rocks, the action of it makes it want to walk back up and go faster setting. So I'm going to have to get those two bonded together or something, tied together or whatnot, and where my speed's consistent. It's kind of threatening to rain, but not at the moment. And this is what I meant by it looks like somebody painted the rod assembly and all because of the blowby. So more work to do, but hey, it's all good. I'm having fun, just having the thing run. And that's it for now.